Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make mac salad. It may not be a true Hawaiian type of dish, but it is a local favorite that is always, and I mean always, found in some sort of local plate lunch. So I want to show you how you can make your own mac salad. You'll need the following ingredients. Make sure you use the 2% milk to get more flavor. First, I prepped all of my veggies first. I started by taking off the skin of a sweet onion, then cut it in half, dice, then mince the onion into smaller pieces. Next, peel 1 carrot, then shred it using a shredder. Set it all aside. Boil a large pot of water and add 1 pound of macaroni to the boiling water. Stir it to prevent any pasta from sticking to the bottom and to each other. Cook it according to the package instructions or until it is al dente. Drain it in a strainer and rinse it quickly with cold water. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, mix together 2.5 cups of mayonnaise, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Add the macaroni to a large bowl, then briefly mix in the apple cider. Next, the mayonnaise mixture. Mix it well. Add in the minced onions, then the shredded carrots. Mix it well. It will be liquidy in the beginning, but cover it and let it sit in the fridge for 2 to 8 hours to help solidify it more. Take it out from the fridge, remove the covering, and give it a nice stir. Serve it cold as a side dish to any meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!